Let's work another problem here with logarithms, solving an equation, and I'm going to use the algebraic properties of logarithms. This is a problem that really gives students fits, so let me take my time with this one. So if we look here, we've got the log of 6x times the log of x equals 5. And it's not clear what to do here, but I mean, because we don't have any properties where we're taking the log of a number times the log of another number. That it has to be inside. So we have this 6 times x inside that log, so we could rewrite that one as log of 6 plus log of x times log of x times log of x equals 5. We could do that. That's a legal move. And now distribute this log of x here. Alright, we're going to get log. I'm going to distribute here. We're going to get log of x times log of x, so it's log of x squared. And note that it's the square is out. You take the log of x and then you square whatever's left over. It's not squared inside there. Okay, it doesn't go there. Plus log of 6 times log of x equals 5. Okay. Now here's one of those tricky problems where if we look, we've got something squared plus the log of x times that something squared, times that thing that we just squared equals 5. And so you got to start thinking this is I could use quadratics somehow. So let's say some pretty intense song playing on the classical station. It's like a battle scene. Let z equal log of x. Okay, so everywhere there's a log of x, just replace it with the letter z. It's still the same thing. We just to clear it up so we can see what's going on a little better, we're going to say this is z squared plus log 6 of z minus 5 equals 0. Okay? And we see now we have a quadratic where a equals 1, b equals log 6, and c equals a negative 5. Okay, so to solve this thing for z, we just plug into the quadratic formula. Let me make sure I give myself some room over here. And let's see, what do we get? Z, let's go in yellow. Z equals a negative b, so a negative log 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, log 6 squared, log 6 squared, minus 4ac. So that negative here is going to make everything plus. So plus 20. I'll extend that all over 2a, which is just going to be 2. Okay? So I'm not even going to mess with this. I'm going to break my calculator out here and try to solve this thing. So we've got the log of 6. Make sure you look there. I'm going to put everything in the numerator inside of parentheses. So we've got the negative log of 6. Alright, this is going to be plus or minus. Let's just say plus the first time. Plus second square root. Alright, log of 6 squared. So log of 6 square that. that right? Log of, so we got that inside of parentheses? Yes. Plus 20. Plus 20. And that parentheses ends everything inside the square root. That parentheses ends everything inside of the numerator. So now divide by 2a. And it's just going to be 2. Okay? So I'll get about 1.881. Okay, now here's a nice little trick on your calculator. If you hit alpha, I don't know, hit second enter, and it will pop that thing back up, and then you can go in here and edit and make that minus. And now enter. And so we get that z is approximately 1.881. Z is approximately 1.881. What is O? And Z is approximately equal to, that was my daughter, she's an Izzo math freak. Oh, not really. Negative 2.659. Negative 2.659. Okay, over here Z equals the log of X. So 1.881 equals the log of X, and we're going to get that what X is approximately equal to 10 raised to the 1.881, which is approximately equal to 10 raised to the 1.881 it's going to be 76.033. So about 70. Oops. About 76.033 is one answer I've got there. And what does, so that was, let's look at what this one is going to tell me. That's going to tell me, again, going inside here, that a negative 2.659 equals log of X. And that's going to give me that X equals 10 raised to the negative 2.659, which is about equal to, and I'm running out of room, 10 to the negative 2.659, 10 raised to the negative 2.659, and that is going to be 0.002. 0.002. How are we looking on time here? 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So I believe I've got two answers here that's going to work just fine. That is, I could plug X equals 0.002 in here and in there, and I should get about 5. Let's check that and make sure. So we're going to take the log. Can I see my log? Yes. Log of 6 times 0.002. Log of 6 times 0.002. And then times log of 0.002. It's not going to be exact because we did some rounding. But this should be about equal to 5. Okay, good. Our rounding, you can see the rounding made it off a little bit. Do I have time to check the other one?
I just went to 70.
Let's see, 76.033. So the log of 6 times 76.033 times the log 76.033. Is that going to give me about 5 as well? Good. That one's a little better. Okay, so what is O, folks? Tell them, Ronnie. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. What is O? Nobody? Okay, cool. I hope this helps you folks out.